Sunshine Academy. Here we see the next topic, area of a triangle. When we say the area of the triangle, here we draw the one figure for the triangle. Basically, right angle triangle. It's the area of a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means for the 90 degrees angle. It's the right angle triangle. Here we say A, B, C. Angle ABC. This angle is the right angle. Right angle denoted by this sign. It's a 90 degree measurement. If the sides are the given, for example, side AB is 6 centimeter and side BC is 7 centimeter is given, and we wish to find out the area of the triangle. Then here there is a formula. Which is the formula? Area of triangle is simply equal to how much? It's a 1/2 into base into height. It's simply written 1/2 into B into H. Here, what is the height? It's a AB is the height and BC is the base. Therefore, 1/2 base is the 7 centimeter, height is the 6 centimeter. We can easily divide it to it's a time as 3. Therefore, 7 3 21 centimeter square. In this way, we can find out the area of the triangle with this formula. In this way, it's the same as the 21 centimeter square with the help of the formula 1/2 into base into the height. If we can find out the another things. For example, if the sides that form the right angle triangle are 3.5 centimeter, if the sides forming the right angle triangle are, for example, if we draw triangle ABC, which one? 3.5 centimeter and 4.2 centimeter. We can mention BC is the 3.5 and AB is the 4.2. You may mention BC equal to 4.2 or AB equal to 3.5. None of the matter. So here, if we find out the area of triangle, which one? ABC. For example, area of the triangle ABC is the 1/2 into B into H, base into height. Then it's a 1/2 into base. How much? 3.5 into 4.2. Is it? We can divide 4.2 by the 2. 2 is the 1. 2 4. 2 2 is 4. 2 2 1 is 1. It came as the 2.1. Therefore, area of a triangle ABC equal to 3.5 into 2.1. We can multiply it. 3.5 into 2.1. 5 1 2 1 2 5 is 5. 1 3 is 3. 2 5 is 10. 2 3 is 6 7 5 3 7. It came as 7 3 5. Where we take decimal point? It's a 1 and 2. 1 2. Therefore, 7.35 centimeter square. It came as the area for the triangle ABC. In this way, we can easily find out the area of the right angle triangle with the help of the formula. Area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. In this way, we can easily find out. Okay.